So, hi everyone. You might have heard that there's a recent notification out announcing the postponement of INI-CET. Well, guys, it's true. The exam has been postponed and they have not announced a revised date. So, my advice to each one of you is that get back on the NEET PG brigade, and now your 110% focus should be on NEET PG, because as per my intuition, they will conduct the NEET PG examination before INI-CET. So now the extra time that you have, my advice would be that think like this, think it as a bit of a positive line, that this is the time that you have got to actually get 5 to 10% more marks than what you could have got in the 18th April examination. So let's assume that you might have missed your dream seat by just like 5 marks or 10 marks. Now the God is giving you a chance to revise more, upgrade yourself by those 5 to 10% marks, and get that dream seat. So don't waste time procrastinating. It is what it is. That is a final line. Even if the government announces that the exam is in the next 48 hours or 24 hours, you have to go and give the examination. So no use procrastinating. Utilize this time. Take it in a positive stride. It is what it is. All right. And with that, all you need to do right now is hard work and dedicate yourself. So that's me, Nachiket Bhatia. The notification is true, and best of luck.